What's going on guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, before I start with the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video you get notified. So today we are going to do the market breakdown. So it's been a while ever since I've been dropping the video, so I'm back guys. So yeah, let's dive in. So first thing first, we are going to look at DXY. So we are on a daily time frame on DXY. So what we always do or normally do, we mark our lowest low, which is this one, and our highest high. So previously, looking at DXY, we were having a structure like this. We were having a structure like this. So and again, this is our our 90% rule of this of the structure. So let's move forward. Let's go to 4-hour and see what's up. So on a 4-hour time frame, let's see what do we find on 4-hour. So you can see we were having an impulse, then the market is gave us a correction. So let's see, can we find something? Can we find something? And guys, every time when you draw your structures, don't force anything, you get it. Keep it simple and keep it clean. Keep it simple and keep it clean. So the market might not reach our 90% rule before going up. So looking at the structure, we have a first touch and this is our second touch. So we're waiting for the market to give us a third touch before going to the upside. So now we might have an idea okay, the DXY might drop a little bit before going to the upside. So this is what we are expecting on DXY. DXY. So this will be our 90% rule. So for DXY, there's no need for me to go to our lower time frame 1 hour. So for now, we are good. For now, we are good. So let's look at another pair. Let's look at Euro USD. So this is the daily time frame guys on Euro USD. We don't have to go anywhere. This is our lowest low. Okay, we have our high. Okay, so we're having something like this. Let's go to 4 hours. So the main thing is for us to keep things simple for ourselves. We get it, keep things simple for yourself so that you are not confusing yourself. So the more you confuse yourself, the more you are going to take some unnecessary losses because you're confused. Okay, so we are having our structure and we are having a middle section. We're having a middle section, an expanding type of structure. So looking at our structure, okay, we can see we are having a first touch, then a second touch. So probably we're waiting for the market to revert. We're waiting for the market to give us a push, give us a third touch. That's when we are going to look for entries. We have to wait for the market to give us a push, correction, and look for entries. So for Euro USD, I will say okay, this is where we see on Euro USD. So like let me just take this, and so like for Euro USD, waiting for, so like this is going to be our 90% rule of the structure. And looking at the structure, it's similar to the one that we saw on what is it, DXY, if you still remember. So yeah, so we're looking for sell opportunities when the market give us over the third touch, then boom, we are gone. So like even here, there's no need for me to do what, there's no need for me to go on a lower time frames. So yeah, so meaning we are going to be patient on this one, very patient on it. We are going to be very patient on it. So yeah, let me go to the daily time frame. So we are on a daily. This is USD CHF. This is AUD CHF. We mark our lowest low, and okay, highest high, which is this one. Let's go to 4-hour. So looking at this, guys, what is important, you have to know, after each and every impulsive move, there's what there is a correction. So let's see, looking at this, we might find what. So for this one, we have to we have a first touch and second touch. We have a first touch, second touch. So we're waiting for the market to shoot to the downside and give us a third touch. So let me go to a lower time frame on this one and see. So guys, as you can see, like the market reversed around here. So like this was going to be like an SN3. So let me go to 15 minutes. So if I don't see anything, is okay for now. You get it? Like you don't have to force your patterns or force sorry, your structures or anything. So if there's nothing, then it's cool. If there's something, then yeah. So for me, I won't force it. So let's go to 1 hour. So the thing is, we might need to get a strong push to the downside and have a correction. That's when I'll know, like, okay, we have a correction, we have a strong push and a correction. That's when I'll look for my sell opportunities. So if it doesn't happen, so like it's okay, I'll wait for the market to shoot to the downside and give us like a third touch before going to the upside. So it is better to wait than to take unnecessary trades, because like you'll end up losing and whatsoever. So yeah, that's it. So let's go to another pair. Let's go to another pair, guys. Let's go to USD JPY. Okay, let me just delete this and we do this together. So this is USD JPY, the daily time frame. This is our lowest low and this is our highest high. So let's go to 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. So on 4 hour, let's see what do we find on 4 hour. So the main thing is for us not to force anything or to force some patterns. So on 4 hour, we might have to wait for the market to reach here and give us a third touch. You see, we are having a first touch, second touch. So the market we have to wait for the market to shoot to the downside, guys. So yeah, we just have to wait for the market to push a little to the downside before going up. So like we have to wait for the market to push to the downside and give us a third touch before going up. So this is, and our take profit is going to be here. You get it? So let me just do this, because like looking at this, I just leave the chart. Looking at this, you can see, okay, this will be our take profit, but for now we'll focus more on this one. So on a lower time frame, what you have to do, like you have to wait for the market to come to reach this point, and you don't just enter when it's a third touch. You wait for the market to give you a push, then you take the first correction. So in order for you to be safe, you get it? Because like sometimes you might find, okay, like you want to enter a third touch, but the market breaks your trend line, you get it? So you will feel the way that you're gonna feel, and you might feel like, okay, this strategy is not working or whatsoever, not knowing like you are the one who is doing things to yourself, you get it? Because like the market doesn't do anything to us, as we are doing things to the market, you get it? So it is better when you reach a third touch, you just wait for the push impulse, you take the first push correction, you take the first flag or whatsoever, then you are okay, so that you don't end up like taking unnecessary trades, you get it? Because like not every time the market it has to like reject on the third touch and go to your direction. So this is USDs are on a daily time frame. Daily time frame. So looking at this on daily time frame, you can see we're having a nice push to the downside, and the market give us a correction now. Yeah, so yeah, so and again guys, the thing is we have to keep things simple for us. You have to keep things simple for ourselves. So this is our 90% rule. Let me go to 4 hour. So let's see what we find on 4 hours. So like you can see, we're still correcting. We are still correcting on 4 hour. So on 4 hour, we are having something like this. So we're having 1, 2, and this was our third touch. So probably the market is going to shoot to the upside, then drop. So let's go to our lower time frames, like the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. So going to 1 hour, we might have something. So we're having like a pattern inside a pattern, like you can call it whatever. So like it's still the same thing. still the same thing, we're having our pattern. So in order for us to take this trade to the upside, like it will be better, like looking at this, you can see I don't want to go to a lower time frame, but I will go. This was what your impulse, and this part is what is a correction. So let's go to 5 minutes and see what's up. And see what's up on 5 minutes. So like for now it is not that clear, so but we might reject and go and the market might reject and give us a third touch before starting to shoot to the upside. So like for me, I'll advise you like to be patient enough for this to happen. You get it? Because like you might find, okay, sharp, the market might break our trend line, so you might think, okay, you might start to shooting up, not knowing like it's going to create something, like it might push to the upside a little, give us a third touch before going up. So like this will be our entry, this will be our entry. So let me go to 15 minutes. So when I go to my 15 minutes, okay, this will be my 90% rule. But the aim is for the market to reach this price around here before shooting to the upside. So like for you, as these are, we look for buy opportunities next week. So yeah guys, let me see daily and go to the next pair. The next pair, let's look at US30. 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 So US30, we are on the daily time frame. The daily time frame. So for US30, like if you could have caught it, because you see like it retested somewhere around here. So like if you have caught it here, you will be having a lot of money using South African brokers. I don't wanna lie. So this is US30 on a daily. Okay, I'll mark this low and I'll mark this high. So and again guys, like if you're trading what is it, indices, you can trade indices in so many ways, Let me just remove this. So on US30, we might have a possibility, like you see we are having a first touch and a second touch. So we might have a possibility that the market might push until somewhere around here and start shooting to the downside. So let's go to 4 hour. So for me, let me go to 1 hour. For me, I'll just, because I know like okay, the market is going to push to the upside, so I won't be looking for unnecessary sales or whatsoever, you get it? So for me, in order to trade this pair, I just have to wait for the market to push to the upside and give me a correction. That's when I know like okay, I will trade like each and every pattern that I find on US30, because like as you can see guys, like you are having a push, then this is our correction, then a push, this is our correction, then we're expecting another push, you're expecting another impulse and a correction. So taking each and every correction, it will be dope for me. You get it? In order for me not to like force things or whatsoever. Like look for unnecessary sales when I know like okay, this page is about to reach my my third touch. So if I don't find anything, like it's okay, you get it, you move to another page. So like you don't have to force anything. So the more you force things, the more you take unnecessary losses and you end up blaming yourself because you're not psychologically okay. So let me go to one day and analyze Nasdaq with you guys. Let's do the Nasdaq. So this is our Naswahanit, aka Nasdaq. So this will be our this will be our lowest low, and this will be our highest high. So looking at this, we can say like okay, this is our impulse, and this is our correction. So let me just so the thing is, you have to keep things simple for you so that like you're not forcing anything. So like if you don't find anything, like leave the pair alone and look at the next pair, because like we have so many things. So if you're used to trade indices and you don't find anything but you wanna trade, go to currency pairs and increase your lot size if you see like they are not volatile, and you will see what I'm talking about. So let's see what do we find on Nasdaq. Okay, and again guys, like price doesn't have to like always reach our third touch. Not like every, like when you're having a structure you have to expect the market to give you a third touch. No, not every time we'll reach the third touch. That is why we're having like double bottom or double top. You get it? So like we might push to the upside and reject on our double top before pushing to the downside. Create the double top and push to the downside. Not like every time the market will always do, but not every time the market will always give you a third touch. Like that's something that you have to know, because like you might miss some trades because you are always looking at a third touch. You get it? Because like even double top it is also important. You get, like double top is not only an information, so like it can possibly give us something like this. You can see like it's a double top. So let's go to 4 hour. We are currently on 4 hours. So previously we were having a pattern like this before the market shot to the upside. So we are having something like this, and again on Nasdaq, same thing with USDT. I'm not saying they're correlating or something, because I don't want to lie to you guys. You get it? I also had the mindset of like these things are correlating. So Nasdaq, we have to wait for the market to give us a correction. We take whatever the pattern that we are going to find on our correction. We don't have to look for unnecessary sale opportunities, because we'll be forcing things for ourselves. So guys, if none of the analysis that I did, like nothing happened, like it's okay, you get it, we move to the next page. You don't have to like you don't have to beat up yourself or blame whatsoever. No, you take accountability, you move to the next page. You blow account, it's okay, you fund, you keep on grinding, get it. But at the end of the day, you need one trade in order for you to make it. You don't need 1,000 trades to make it. Like one trade can change your life forever. So like this will be our Nasdaq, guys. So like it's your boy Achilles, the one and only the Forex trader, and I'm out now. So I'll be dropping another YouTube video every Saturday. So every Saturday I'll keep on like doing the market analysis while I'm thinking to drop more content. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, and doing whatsoever. I appreciate you all guys. Like if you want the mentorship, I'll leave my my WhatsApp link on the description. If you want free signals, I'll leave my link in the descriptions. And if you wanna talk to me on WhatsApp guys, like go straight to the point so that you know like okay, we are not wasting each other's time, you get it? Because mostly you guys, you text me and you ask some unnecessary questions, like you just say like what's up bro, then go straight to the point. So like this was Achilles, the Forex trader, the one and only. So guys, we are going to reach our 1K subscribers soon, and shout out to each and every one of you who's been with me since from day one, and the new people, shout out. So like I appreciate you all guys. So let's keep doing what we do best, and I'm out now, and thank you for watching. If you want mentorship or one-on-one, yeah, I'll leave my link, my WhatsApp link, so that you can able to reach me, or if you wanna purchase signals or whatsoever. I'm out now.